Hi, Miss Melanie. Can you tell me about yourself?
I am Melanie Pastrana. I live in Dakdal Pasto, Barangay Mabuhay. I am 25 years old and I am single.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have two children, 3 years old and 6 years old.
Who will take care of your children if you come to Hong Kong?
My mother,
How many siblings do you have?
I have two siblings, one brother and sister, and I am the third child.
Tell me about your educational background.
I am college graduate.
Do you have overseas experience?
No, but here in the Philippines, I work 2 years and 4 months. I work to a couple with two children, 8 years old and a newborn baby girl. I do household chores like laundry, cleaning, cooking, ironing, and take care of the children and babysitting.
Did you finish your contract?
Yes,
How would you describe yourself?
I am patient, trustworthy, kind.
Do you have any tattoo?
No,
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
no.
Why do you want to go abroad?
Um, um, to earn money and to support my family and children.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes.
Could you sing me a nursery song?
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round.
Are you scared of cat or dogs?
No.
Give me your idea how can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums.
Um, I will um, I will talk to them and with a calm voice.
Say something to your future employer to hire you.
Uh, to my future employer, I promise that I will finish my contract and uh, I will treat them like my family and I will I will speak Chinese. I will speak Cantonese and cook Chinese food.